been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
So tired. Well guys, good morning and welcome to a new day on this road trip. So Bastian is still asleep here. He was up quite late yesterday and I look so tired. So we are currently in Hoddevik and we have stayed here for one night, but we have done so much. But now I need to wake up this guy and this guy and pack up this tent and get out to start enjoying this day. I see that he is waking up a little bit. from Storfossen in Geiranger. So we have just hiked up this hike. It was a really short hike, only like sorry, we are at the top of Storfossen in Geiranger. We have Bastian right here and Lucas down here. It was a really short hike. I don't actually know if you guys can hear me because as you can see the start of the waterfall is right behind me. Yeah, so it's called Storsäter waterfall in English. So we have arrived to Geiranger and we're gonna stay here for one night and we're gonna take you down and show you our camping spot for the night, which is the same one we stayed at last year. So should we just hike down? I think Luca is getting really warm. And I think it's really loud here. And you are eating all the blueberries without giving any to me. But guys, look at this. This is Norway at its finest. You have waterfalls, you have mountains, blue sky. So you can go behind the waterfall down here and the start of the waterfall is over here. So it goes like this. But now let's go back to our camping spot for the night. Hello and good morning from one of our last days on this road trip. We have been now one day in Geiranger and we went up Storsäterfossen and we also slept at the same camping as we did last year by another waterfall, which I don't even know what it's called. As you can see outside the windows, or maybe not, the weather today is not that great in Geiranger, so we have decided to drive to Olden. We think we are at least headed that way because we want to go for a very easy hike into a glacier, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I don't know the name of it, but we will figure it out when we arrive there, and then of course I will tag it down below here. I think today it's Wednesday when we are filming and we are going to be back in Haugesund Friday morning, so it's our last days here and I'm leaving on Saturday, so it's gonna be a hectic day when we come back home.
Last days for the mosquito to eat me.
Yeah, so Bastian has had some mosquito bites all over. You can see. So he has been bitten this year so much more than me. Like he has them all over
my back,
on his tattoos,
my arms, my legs.
So he's so tired of mosquitoes right now. So here comes another B-roll. We have just hiked up to Byrkjedalsbreen or Byrkjedals glacier. It was not a hard hike, it was actually super easy and it's really nice to walk with kids and with dogs or if you have an injury, there are small cars that can drive you up to the glacier.
It was kind of disappointing.
It was kind of disappointed when we came to the top, not because the view wasn't nice, it wasn't super nice, but because it was just sad to see that the glacier have disappeared so much. It really wasn't that much of the glacier left, and it was like all the way up in the mountains, which just means that global warming is real, guys, and you can really see it on the nature here, especially on the glaciers. But yeah, we have to continue on and not let that affect us for the rest of this road trip, right? But it's something to bring.
Doesn't affect me.
But it's something that we bring with us when we are out traveling, how things are affecting the beautiful, beautiful nature here in Norway. So yeah, if you want to go on this hike to Byrkjedal's glacier, you just drive to Olden. We are free camping today because we have been on camping places so many days now, but now we just want to find a place for ourselves because this road trip is sadly coming to an end. So yeah. Our temporary apartment, which you still haven't had a proper apartment tour of yet. And this road trip has really been one of the best ever. Like, we have done so much and we have seen so freaking many beautiful places in Norway. I cannot even recommend enough to go to all of the places we have been through and which you have seen on part 1 and part 2 of this road trip. The reason we had to go home is because I am leaving tomorrow, because I'm leaving on Saturday and I'm going on my first international trip since COVID, which are just crazy, and I cannot believe it, and I won't believe it until I'm on the flight on my way and just everything is settled. If you want a sneak peek and if you want to figure out where I am and where I'm going, you can follow me on Instagram. You find my name down here, and of course I will be bringing my camera. There you have the crazy boy. Hello, crazy boy. Hello, crazy boy. We're back home.
Hello, people. Hello.
So yeah, you can follow me on Instagram to figure out where I'm going. I will of course bring the camera with me and vlog from there. And I'm gonna film a lot of workout videos from the country I'm going to.
We look so tired.
We are tired. We need a proper night of sleep, right?
Look at these bags.
We need some good nights of sleep. So yeah, guys, if you liked this video part 2, give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe down here. And we will see you in another video.
The next one.
Ciao!